One thing that stood out to me is when you said holistic review, of course, because I'm trying to figure out what exactly does that mean. Because we have the LSAT, we have the GPA, we have the soft factors, and it's hard to get a sense of how that all kind of comes together.
Definitely. So, I mean, obviously, it does vary school to school, but at MSU Law, LSAT and GPA aren't the end all be all. So, we definitely take a good look at those things like personal statements, letters, recommendation. Obviously, resume is important as well, but we can really look at those other components of the application beyond just the numbers to really make a decision on when students are going to be a good fit here. When it comes to things like scholarships, LSAT and GPA do play a larger role in that, but it still is a holistic review. So I get asked a lot by students whether we do some sort of mathematical formula or anything like that, and we don't. So that's nice that we do look at them independently and don't just worry about numbers.
Okay, no, it's good to know at least that the numbers don't determine everything, but I'm still wondering, is there still some sort of cutoff below which you wouldn't look at an application? Like, let's say if someone got a 125 or a 130 on the LSAT or had a 2.0 GPA, should they bother applying? What would the soft factors do for them there?
Yeah, I mean, that's a good question. Obviously, most of our students are within a few points on LSAT to our 25th percentile or higher, obviously. But I mean, we have had students in the 140s attend here, so it's definitely doable for those students. I don't know off the top of my head any students that we've had in say the 130s, but again, every student we always recommend applying. Obviously, we provide fee waivers for students, so that also helps take a little burden so that they can try to go for that, so to speak, reach school if we are that for them. So it's always possible, but it varies independently on each of them.
Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I wish you all the best and take care.